When it comes to collecting Morgan dollars, you'll often hear us reference that some coins have mintages that are entirely misleading. And that's because some coins, despite having relatively high mintages, are significantly rarer than the coins much higher up on the mintage ranking chart than themselves. And tonight we have two coins struck by the San Francisco Mint that are the perfect example of this mintage mirage phenomenon. These coins were the first ones struck at the beginning of the 20th century and have mintages that place them smack dab in the middle of all San Francisco Morgan dollars struck. Yet despite that, they are rarer than some of the rarest estimate Morgan dollars of all time by mintage. The 1900 and 1901 estimate Morgan dollars have less than 1/2 of a single percent of their mintage still known to exist today in any condition whatsoever. They are modern day collecting secrets, and our coins tonight are just $69.95 and $89.95 respectively while our supplies last. At that price, we are at least $75 less than our nearest competition. The 1900S in beautiful collector's quality circulated condition is item number 905-9056. That's 905-9056. And those 1900S Morgan dollars are just $69.95 while they last. And the second coin from the estimate in the 20th century, the 1901 Morgan dollar, is item number 905-9057. Again, that's 905-9057. And those coins, while they last tonight, are just $89.95 each. At that price, we are more than $125 less than our nearest competition. You can call in at 1-866-518-5933. Or if you don't want to use the phone tonight, that's totally fine. You can check out our website. It's abccoins.com. And then once you're there, just click on that search bar. And for the 1900S, just type in 905-9056. Again, that's 905-9056. Or if you want the 1901S, it's item number 905-9057. And it's 905-9057. And we are just $69.95 and $89.95 each, respectively, while these coins last. Now let's start breaking down the numbers so you get a true idea of just how misleading this really is. The 1900S had a total mintage of 3.5 million coins, making it easily the lowest mintage of the year for the Morgan dollar series and putting it smack dab in the center of all San Francisco Mint Morgans. It comes in at number 16 out of all 28, and in the series as a whole, it comes in at number 41 out of 97 total coins. Yes, I said 97. I count the 7-tail feather and 8-tail feather to be two separate coins. So despite 3.5 million in mintage, being a relatively large mintage, just 13,556 exist today in any condition whatsoever. That is less than 0.5% of the entire mintage, 0.38% to be exact. When you can find this coin with our competition, a heavily circulated coin is still going to run you over $145. You're $75 less than their price at just $69.95. With 3.54 million total coins struck and just 13,556 in population, it's just 1 in every 261 coins struck in the entire mintage. Now let's move on to the 1901, a coin that is even rarer by population today. They would strike 2.28 million coins that year at the San Francisco Mint, good enough for it to rank 12th out of all 28 Morgan dollars struck at the San Francisco Mint, and number 32 out of all 97 coins in the series as a whole. So while it's a bit rarer by mintage than the other coin, it's still nothing special. But that said, there's still a fraction of them in existence today. Just 8,905 coins exist in any grade whatsoever with NGC and PCGS. That is 1 in every 260 coins struck and just 0.39% of the entire mintage. When you can find the 1901 in circulated condition, it's a $215 coin with our competition. We're more than $125 less than their price at just $89.95. That means if you grab both of these coins with us tonight, you're going to save over $200 versus significantly worse eye appeal coins with our competition. Now, we've told you how rare they are in terms of percentage numbers, but let's compare them to the top 6 San Francisco Mint Morgan dollars of all time. Number 1, you have the 1893 with a population today of 11,424. Then you have the 1895 with 10,607. So that means while those are rare in the 1900, the 1901 blows them out of the water with almost 2,500 and 1,500 less. Then you have the 1888, the third rarest S Mint Morgan dollar of all time, with 17,863. Both of these coins are significantly rarer than that. Coin number 4 is the 89S, which has 21,318 coins. Both of these coins have almost 10,000 less. The 1886, 16,090. Both of these coins are significantly rarer. And then the 1892 has 12,904. So while the 1900 is not rarer than it, the 1901 is. So the 1900 is rarer than 3 of the top 6 S Mint Morgan dollars of all time by mintage, and the 1901 is rarer than every single one of them. That is why I like to call these coins modern day collecting secrets, because despite being 123 years old, they are astronomically rare today, and ours are in beautiful collector's quality circulated condition while they last. With the phone lines backed up, it is unfortunately time for us to be moving on, so let's see what we have coming up next.